We're going to be doing a bank reconciliation, and here I am in the accounts payable unposted. I've flagged all these to be posted, so I click Post Approved. So now all those invoices have been posted, and here I am in my payables. These are the invoices that I'm going to be paying with my checkbook. So I'm going to say Pay All. So here's all my payments for the amounts that are due. The red ball means I'm out of my discount period, or there is no discount. So I'm going to say Process Paid. Here in my checking account are all the invoices I'm going to be paying. I'm not going to bother previewing. I'll just let it run through. Okay, so I have nothing left in payables. So let's close this and go to the checkbook. In the checkbook, you can see I've got invoices that have already been cleared. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to print these checks, and the first one is going to be 1015. So print checks 1015, and I'm going to preview and print the checks. Okay, all my checks have been printed, and I'm going to close this. So now that I have check numbers here, the next thing I'm going to do is, looking at this number here, I'm going to close this, and I'm going to go to my post transactions, and I'm going to say Tag All and Post to General Ledger. I don't have to do this now, but I'm doing this for a reason, to show you under my account inquiry. Let's go back to checkbook here. This is the current cash balance in my checkbook. Let's look at account inquiry, and let's look at the checking account. And as you can see, my balance of $496,400 is the same as it is in my checkbook. So my general ledger and my checkbook match. When I do my bank recon, I'm reconciling the checkbook against the bank statement, not the general ledger. So if I go into Reconcile, it brings up what the ending balance was the last time I did a reconciliation. And what I'm going to do is, looking at my statement, every one of my checks have cleared. So I'm going to put the ending balance in as the same as the checkbook balance. And I'm going to pretend that's what's on the statement. So look at your statement and find out what your ending balance is, and put that number in here. I'm going to click OK. So I have all these checks, and every one of them are on my bank statement as cleared. So by highlighting the first line, I hit the space bar, and you'll notice now with all these checks selecting that they were cleared, and if I had any deposits, they would be here. You'll see the difference is 0. If it's 0, you can go ahead and say Finish, and your checkbook has been successfully balanced.